whistle sounds during a contact situation, all attention falls on the calling referee. This is the moment in which we should show conviction and security of our decisions through strong signals, movements with purpose, and verbal communication with players and table officials. From the moment the whistle sounds until the moment we reach our new position, a protocol is developed, which will become involuntary only when we always apply it, regardless of the type of game or the points of difference.
When reporting a foul to the table official, the protocol begins since the moment we cause the foul. When we cause a foul, we blow a sharp whistle once with the straight fist. After, we put the whistle out of our mouth for sure, and we can communicate to the people what has just happened. For example, grade 8, push. As everybody knows what happens, we need to go to the penalty. If it is a shooting foul, we make the signal for 2-pointer, or in the case we have a 3-pointer, a 3 shots. After, if there is not a shooting foul, or it can be a foul on the floor, and it can be confused with a shooting foul, we point the floor. So we have this for the shooting foul, and this for the foul on the floor. When we make all of this protocol, it is time to go to the table and report the foul to the table officials. We will walk with purpose and sharp until a point in which we can have clear vision with the table officials. So we call red 8 push, signal the 2 shots, and then we start our movement. Once we are on a position in which we have a clear visual communication with the table official, we start with the protocol. First, if the basket is made, we count the basket. Second, the number of the player responsible for the foul. Third, the type of the foul, and fourth, the penalty. So, for example, the basket is made, we made 2 points, red 8 hits 1 shot. Remember that each signal has a beginning and an end. So we go with the basket, then go with the number, type of foul, and penalty. Again, basket, red 8, hits, 1 shot. After we finish our communication with the table, it is time to go to our next position. If this is a 3PO, it is time to go opposite from the table as a trail. If it is a 2PO, we only turn our body, and now we are on the trail position on the 2-person mechanics. Now, from this angle, when we reach a place in which we have a clear vision with the table official, we make our signal. First, basket or not. Second, the player who makes the foul, his number. Third, the types of the foul. And for the penalty. If we don't have a basket, we go straight with a number. So, for example, white 8 hits 2 shots. Remember that each signal begins and ends. So, if we have the penalty and we make the 2 shots after we finish, then we turn our body to our new position. Now, if a basket is made, we begin with that information. For example, 2 points, white 8 hits, 1 shot. Then we finish our communication and we are able to go to our next position.